This video is purposed to show you how to correctly use the Alabama Virtual Library. The first thing that you want to do is start at our community college's website, which is www.cv.edu. What you're going to do next is go to Student Services, and then you're going to click on the Library Resources tab. The purpose of going to our website first is because the school is so close to the Georgia line, you will need to access the Alabama Virtual Library through our library's link. Otherwise, you may not be able to use it while at home. So when you get to the Library Resources, you're going to click on Alabama Virtual Library. The next thing you're going to do is click on College and University. After that, you will scroll down to Opposing Viewpoints in Context. This will open up a new tab. When you get here, you will go to the Browse Issues icon. As you will notice with the Browse Issues icon, you have tons and tons and tons of issues. Now, when looking at the topics for Essay 5, they're limited to only 8. So, for instance, we have one that is called, Should Children Be Allowed to Have Social Media Access? Okay? So what I would do in that sense is I would go and look for something that's, oh, here we go, social media. Okay? Now, look at all the stuff that comes up. You have featured viewpoints. TikTok may be more dangerous than it looks. Okay? So I want to look for viewpoints that match my stance. Okay? Cell phones should not be allowed on school grounds. All of these articles look very good. Remember, you have to pick 2 from Alabama Virtual Library to use in your essay. So because this one fits that so well, I'm going to click on this one. You need to read all of the article and decide what part of this article you can use in your essay. The best thing about the AVL is that it's going to give you the citation in MLA format, and all you have to do is copy and paste that onto your Works Cited page. Now remember, what goes in the in-text citation is whatever is in front of the first punctuation mark. So I'm going to use Klein. If I used this source, I would use Klein in my in-text citation. This is how to correctly use the AVL. You can always put in like specific search results, like maybe like teenagers using social media, etc. Back to the list of topics. You have to search through and figure out which ones you want to use. Things like you may have to dig through some. Things like surveillance, maybe. It may not have the word exactly surveillance, but maybe you can look for words like video or laws, or you can also go up here to the search button and then put in exactly what you're searching for. If you have any questions using the AVL, please let me know. You can always call the library. They are 1000% experts, a lot more than me, and they can help you as well.